Okay, I'm gonna be upfront and honest with you. If you do not have an Instapot yet, you are missing out. This thing is stellar. We got it as a wedding gift about 7 years ago, and we use it at least once a week. Some of my favorite things to cook in it is rice, ironically, so get rid of the rice cooker, but rice, hard-boiled eggs, peel like nobody's business inside of this, and then also my absolute favorite are ribs. You can make some bomb diggity ribs in this thing that quite literally fall off the bone. But anyways, let's get into some of the cool features. This one right here is my 6-quart, and it is a stainless steel insert. So super high quality, easy to clean. It has the manual inside, which also has a bunch of recipes. My go-to again is the rice, because I always forget how long I need to cook it for, but it's very, very high quality. I love how well the Instapot's made. Like I said, we've had it for 7 years now, and we've moved many times, and it's lasted all of our moves. So great quality. There are quite a few different features. There's soup, meat and stew, bean chili, poultry, rice, multigrain, porridge, steam. Personally, I actually have not used any of these features. I just do the manual, and then I set it for a specific time. Oh, there's also a yogurt feature. But I use either the manual or the sauté. So sauté works well like when I do like a big chunk of meat. I do like pork shoulder. You can sauté it inside of this and then cook it, so you don't have to dirty another pan. But this is like an all-in-one type of cooker. Like, don't get an egg cooker, don't get a rice cooker, don't get a crock pot, just get an Instapot. It will do everything for you, and it's just absolutely one of those kitchen utensils, it's absolutely one of those kitchen appliances that you just need to have in your arsenal. Like, don't be snoozing on this. I highly recommend it.